मैं आपको ना गानों के नाम देने वाली हूँ. आप just need to tell me the tiny brief story behind Galla Gudiya.
Wow, Galla Gudiya, we conceived it as one take first.
Correct.
The choreography came in later on because we had around 20. Say they're all there in Augie is there, Gul is there in Galla Gudiya. So they were planted so that they could give the actors their position because it was we actually shot in a very small in the backyard of the cruise where it's actually a staff hangout where the staff they come and chill.
ये मड आइलैंड में हो रहा था या सच में आप लोग गए
I
थे?
love this question of yours. नहीं, ये हुआ एक बहुत ही फैंसी पुलमांतुर एक क्रूज शिप है उस पे हुआ और हम लोग बहुत हमने 2 हफ्ते हम लोग वहाँ पर थे.
Nice.
Ayashi to the
Nice.
core. We are like okay, we'll only come in the evening to
Nice.
shoot.
ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे I wanted मतलब ऐसा fingers crossed and because it's Excel and it's Zoya I thought I hope कि ये ऐसा SL World के वहाँ जाते वक्त
Not at all,
नहीं,
Zoya.
good.
Bro, that is Zoya and Excel's power. They got us. With the whole team was there.
Yeah.
We conceived the song over here. We created that whole. We created a hook step. When we presented it, I have the presentation where Priyanka and all, we all had stickers with each one's names. There were around 20 actors and 20 actors doing the same move and then trying to get them where the camera is dancing basically.
Phenomenal.
This is one song which I feel that we are not being glorified or the song has not got.
Yes.
As a song, it's got its due, but for the technique of it, I don't think so anybody really cared कि यार वो only the industry did. But as an audience is audience है उनका power बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. And what they felt was the step, and that's what they took from it. But otherwise, the whole choreography, the way Galla Gudiya was conceived, when we went on the cruise, we had a very limited space. Otherwise, what happens is you can when you're doing on one take, you can create levels, you can create boundaries, barriers, and you can go through. So a lot of things can happen technically, but we were confined in that space, so the camera had to dance, and humans were used as props to kind of create that illusion, and it was brilliant. We got it on the first take, but when I saw the shot, and I went to Zoya and I said, Zoya, I think we should try.
One more time.
No, we should try it just before the sun sets, so you have that magica. Or when the sun rises, so it creates that only remained in my head. We tried for the next 3 days. We got it on the 4th day. But if you see now Galla Gudiya, that the scene is all black. She shot a scene in the cruise. But when the song comes, once the camera starts moving, you'll see a blue sky, and then it becomes black. Then it's so that's only stayed with me. So only I think and I see that. बाकी का मैं किसी को बता दूँ वो उसको दिखता ही नहीं है, बोलते हैं हो क्या रहा है, because उनको लगता है क्रोमा किया हुआ है. ठीक है.
Well, it's a poetry that a choreographer like you, Bosco,